Today, I'm going to go through with you what happened since yesterday. Did the market go down as I told you I thought the market would, or did it go up? Where is it right now? What do I think will happen? I'm going to talk about and tell you that I did short Bitcoin today and it hit my TP within an hour. So yeah, let's see what's happening in the market. Welcome to my channel. Yesterday, we were at this area right here, and I told you guys that I thought the market would continue to go down a little bit. The market came back up. Why? Well, you can see on the 6-hour and 4-hour, I took the Fibonacci from the low to the high, and the market was inside of the 50 and 61% area. It gave us a doji, and it continued to go up. And you can also see that on the 1 hour, we were at this area. Let's see, and it was just consolidating. The market broke the box, came back down, retested it, and then it went back up. So it did show us exactly what it was supposed to do. Even if I told you that I thought the market would continue to go down, I mean, that's okay because the market didn't. So I didn't sell the market. Why? Because I told you if I'm going to sell the market, I want the market to come back down, retest this area. So my entry would have been around here, but it didn't do that. So what happened? I never sold the market, so I didn't lose any money. But I also told you that if the market will break to the upside, come back down, retest it, and then go back up, you're buying at this area. They come back up and was there for a while, but remember, this was the highest point. You can see that the market came up to the area right here, and this was the high, but it closed below it. And I actually sold the market in this candle while this was active. I sold the market when this candle closed, okay? And my TP was around here, so it didn't take for a very long time before the market actually came to my TP. I didn't have further down because you can see that on the higher time frames that we're still respecting this Fibonacci level. That's why I didn't have my TP further down, because I also know that the market will respect it. So I sold it from here to here. TP got hit and I'm out. Let's see, what do I think will happen to the market right now? You can see that on the 4-hour, we do have a very strong bearish candle. You can also see that on the 6-hour, it's very, very strong. We can also retest this resistance, broke it, come back down, retest it. So at this point, we just have to be very careful about what the market is going to do. But we can use the Fibonacci level as a very, very good zone to see what's going to happen in between right here. And copy paste that one and see what's happening on the lower time frame. On the lower time frames, we are in a downtrend. And then on the higher time frames, we are in an uptrend. See, because now the market is also consolidating. So what we want to see, if we want to buy, the market might come back up, come back down, retest this area because it's breaking the downtrend, and then slowly continues to go up. This is the big picture. This is the small picture. Even on the 16 hours, you see we have wick, might go down a little bit more into the Fibonacci levels, and then we just have to wait and see what it's going to do inside of it. If it's going to continue to go down, break it, come back up and retest it. So a little recap. We are still expecting this Fibonacci zone. The market can come back down, maybe close below it. And this is why it's so important now also for you to understand candlestick patterns, because if the market breaks and it gives us a doji candlestick pattern that shows reversal, that just might be our higher low. So let's say, for example, now the market will continue to go down a little bit. So on the lower time frames, we're in a downtrend, right? But if the market comes to this Fibonacci level and starts to reverse to the upside, we see that the lower time frame now starts to be an uptrend. It breaks the downtrend. Now it's an uptrend, doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher lows. We just might have a good buy, and we can actually buy the market, and hopefully it will break the previous higher high and make another higher high. On the higher time frames, the next zone that we have that the market will respect is this area right here. Why? Because you can see, say, support. It's been here for a while. You can even go to the line chart and you can see. And remember, it's zones. It's just not one specific area. It's like a huge one. You can see if you take this box here, you can see the market came back here and retested a lot of times. So trust me when I say the market will do something similar right around here. The market will react in some way. If we're gonna buy it, if the market comes back down, as I told you, this is gonna be in my area. And so that's good. So thank you. This is everything that I have for you today. It's going to be exciting to see what the market brings us. And I hope that you're going to have a good week. Do not ever chase the market. Okay. Follow the market, not the opposite. Bye.